Welcome back to Back Road Driver, guys. Today we're going to take this GT350 that has the Shelby interior, but it's really basic. It's really just like a normal Mustang, almost like a performance pack. We're going to jazz it up because it's not real exciting, and we've got carbon fiber at the yin yang to go on this thing. But I want to show you the steering wheel real quick. Yes, it comes with an Alcantara steering wheel, but look how matted down this is. It looks nasty. So this mod may be out of order for what I want to do on this car, but I need this dad blame steering wheel changed out because it feels gross. And I'm going to show you this new carbon fiber one. It's probably the coolest thing I've ever ordered. This is my new steering wheel from Zen Carbon Fiber. Guys, it has a flat top and a flat bottom. That makes it more special. I do like that I've got this perforated leather on the grips instead of that Alcantara. I don't wear race gloves to drive this thing on the back roads, so I don't want that slick Alcantara feel. This top piece, I don't know if it's more functional. I think it looks cooler to have a flat bottom, flat top steering wheel, but this was only 540 bucks from Zen Carbon Fiber. That's way cheaper than a lot of other brands, and I can tell you the quality is really, really good. We will reuse the cover pieces from the GT350 wheel. You can get all that in carbon fiber. I just want my wheel fiber, and I want my other pieces to match up with the rest of my GT350 interior. Sam's gonna show you, he's behind the camera, he's gonna show you the other carbon fiber we have for the interior.
We're also gonna throw in some carbon fiber on the dash to spice things up a bit, but this isn't your traditional regular carbon fiber pieces. This is from Forgitec, and yeah, carbon fiber is light, but this is extra light because we're not replacing the full pieces on the dash. This is an overlay, guys, and the way this fits up and the fit and finish, you're really gonna like that. We'll let you see the finished product, but you can't tell the difference in this being a complete new dash part where you've got to pull everything apart, or just these overlays. And this is significantly less money than those type of parts. I think this was all in $464 for all of these parts, which is a tremendous savings over what you normally see.
We got the 4-piece kit, so you got the main part of the dash that everybody sees, the part to the left of the steering wheel, and then these two little down pieces. I'll show you on the car where those go in just a second. But guys, this is real carbon fiber, not fake carbon fiber. It is a, like he said, stick on. We've seen this on another vehicle, and it looks just as good as the pop ends, but it's about a fourth of the money. Zen Carbon Fiber is sending a custom airbag cover as well, but that's not in just yet. So this whole wheel is going to change. We'll reuse these pieces. This I guess it's like a tinted aluminum, and that's kind of your theme in the entire GT350. I think the performance pack Mustangs have that in chrome, but we're replacing this piece or covering it up, covering up this piece, and you can see how this flows right down with it. So you don't want to just put this on and not have that piece. I'm not a big fan of like putting carbon fiber over doors and stuff. Some people are, but this is going to be just right. I will show you this. This car has a T56XL, which is your Magnum XL transmission installed. So that's a big upgrade for the GT350. I won't bore you to death, but this shift knob came with it. I've also got a handle for this coming. It's not here yet. I've inquired about where the heck that's at, but I want to show you the knob I had for this that I was going to put on to match up with this steering wheel. So this is your standard GT350 knob. It's covered with leather. It actually feels pretty good in your hand. This is what I ordered, and it's carbon fiber. It matches up with the steering wheel that we're going on with that red stripe around the center. But now that I've got this Tremec on, you'll see your shift pattern is reverse over and up, and on my Tremec knob it's over and up to this side, so I'm not going to be able to put that on. Kind of a bummer.
I'm going to take this old steering wheel off. Just remember, you unplug your battery for about 15 minutes before you start messing with this. Brad, show them the engine on this thing.
Yeah, guys, we probably should have mentioned this is a Fat House Fabrication 800R package. So we've got the 3-liter Whipple supercharger with all the FabTech goodies. I've already mentioned the transmission. This bad boy will absolutely freaking rip. We do have Stark forged custom wheels. Color of the vehicle is avalanche gray. Fitment was really good, except for here in the back. You can see where I'm rubbing fender on tire. That's sad, I know. We are going to have these machined down because we do have plenty of space for the calipers. We're just going to have to machine that down to make it fit better. This is getting the most ridiculous wing you've ever seen. Working on a graphics kit right now and more handling things. So this is going to be the ultimate backroad Mustang with 800 wheel horsepower.
I'm about to unhook the airbags. I've done this several times. The battery's been unhooked for a long time now, but it's always the worst part, man.
Oh gosh! What's interesting to me is there's only one bolt holding the steering wheel on. Once we get the steering wheel out, we'll take it over to the table and be able to remove all the buttons and trim pieces to swap over to the new wheel.
So now I just got to swap everything from this wheel over to the new one.
While I can put them here side by side, you can tell a difference in the thickness, especially where you hold the wheel, whereas this is kind of like, you know, basic Mustang F-150. There's really nothing fat and cool feeling to it. And over here, this is not Alcantara. It's kind of a durable leather, but I've got a great grip for regular driving. And then this is like, I don't know, it's like 45% thicker up top where you're actually going to hold and do a lot of your steering. Feels really good. The weave looks awesome.
I've moved everything over to the new steering wheel. All the controls, wiring and everything comes apart pretty easy. You know, as with anything, you've got to fit this a little bit when you're doing a replacement steering wheel. This one fits up really, really nice. Probably a little bit better than the one on Brad's truck that we did a while back. But for the money that you pay for this, I mean, this is a bargain. I mean, there was a time when you'd pay, what, $1,500 for a carbon steering wheel? To be right in that $500-ish range, Zen Carbon Fiber knocked it out of the park on this one. All right, airbag back on. And once you get to this point, don't pop it on the wrong way. You'll have to pop it off again.
Boom! Oh gosh.
Guys, this is nice. We get that leather covered airbag cover. It's going to add a little bit more detail in here, but I mean, man, what a difference a steering wheel can make. We did a little test fitting and even tried just using their tape. There's just a few spots that didn't stick as well as what we'd hoped. So I had some extra. This tape I've got super clear and extra sticky. Got this tape from back in our sign days. We'll see how this goes.
Those 4 holes make some good guides.
Yep.
Just let him start with that.
Just kind of
work his way. Man, it's looking good with the wheel. We don't have it popped in there just right yet.
Oh, there.
Oh, it's looking good. So we've got everything on, and guys, I gotta say this is 100% better looking than what we had. I'll show you this corner over here. It turns down real nice, Clark. Sam, show him that corner over there.
The fitment is great. I mean, this is as good as any part that you would bolt in and have to take your dash completely apart. I mean, you can even look right in here. I mean, I don't think you can tell at all. Hats off to Forgitec on this. I mean, it's a great product.
Yeah, I couldn't be any happier with the way this turned out. That's going to feel great driving down the road. I wanted all the touch points and the biggest piece to be something real great looking. This shift knob, kind of a bummer that I can't use the carbon. So I don't think I would take it off even if I could switch it out, because I love that new Magnum transmission. This will be coming in. We'll pop that on in a different video.
Guys, if you want to see more videos with this GT350, click right here. We need some more subscribers on this channel. Hit that button and we'll catch you guys in the next one.